So I've made quite a few video games, at least 2, and I thought it would be a cool idea to make a few more than 2 games, so I made another one. I made this game in a game engine called Pika-8, which is a fantasy console developed by Axolotl. What that means I'm not sure, but hey, look at these cool things people have made in it. What's even cooler about Pika-8 is you can take any game and edit the code, art, sound effects, and music all in Pika-8 and learn about how they make their games. Now I have made a few games in it before, but those games were made with help from tutorials, while this game I'd make on my own with the docs and this Pika-8 cheat sheet. I decided I wanted to make a Sokoban clone since it shouldn't be too hard to make and can still be pretty fun. The first thing I did was make some player sprites and added some movement and collision to it. The way the collision works is with these little buttons called flags. When you place a tile on the tile map, you can check which flags are on and off by first getting which tile is there with mget and the position of the tile, then checking if it has a specific flag by using fget with the tile and then the flag you want to check.
I don't quite get it. Could you elaborate a bit?
Nope. Moving on. It sets the dx and dy value depending on what button you press, and if there's not a wall tile wherever the dx and dy lead, you move there. If there is, it just sets them to 0. And I smoothed out the movement a bit. Next I made some really ugly temporary art for the walls and some blocks to push around. I made the blocks pushable by getting its flags, checking if it has the pushable one, and if it does, moving it 1 tile forwards. And I also added a restart button for when you screw up really badly in the puzzles. Now I could work on more puzzle elements, or I could improve all the art, and you know I went with the art. So now it's time to start actually working on the puzzle. You know, particles look pretty cool. I went and stole a particle script I wrote a while ago and added some cloud particles for when you push the box.
Hang on, isn't that cheating?
No it's not, because... Now it's puzzle element time. I created a tile that only the player can go on but not the boxes. And a spot you have to push the boxes onto to be able to progress through the levels. I also made a camera moving script that somehow worked first try. Seriously, that never happens. Then I added some sound effects to the game. And also a timer in the top left so you know how slowly you're solving the puzzles. Now guess what time it is? Wrong, it's level design time-lapse time, of course. logo for the game, then after that, a title screen that shows you your best time when you beat the game. And finally, a short drum loop to play in the background. Then I set up an itch, game jolt, and cartridge page for the game. You can play the game on any of those and can even play it on mobile in your web browser on itch.io. Thanks to the Captain Moo for involuntarily doing some voice lines in this video. There's a link to the channel and the game in the description. Seems my desktop reveal wasn't enough to get you all interested and was also a really terrible joke, so if I get to 65 subscribers, I'll do a left hand reveal. I'll do a left hand reveal.